So let us continue with the writing section. One topic from the writing section, that is advertisements. This advertisement is applicable for 11th and 12th standard, both the classes. Format, language, everything is same. Marks, weightage, all the things. So in writing section generally we have two things. First one is short composition and another one is long composition. In long composition, article writing, speech writing, debate and report writing, right? So now in short composition, short means in short we have to do, we have to mention the things. So in short composition, notice writing, advertisement, poster designing and one more, invitation, right? So here notice already we have seen. So let us move on the advertisement. See, this advertisement, first of all we have to understand what is meant by advertisement. Definitely you must have seen in the newspapers, watched on the television or the different sources of media the examples of advertisement, right? Especially if I talk about newspaper, second page of the newspaper, second left page of the newspaper, in which some small boxes are given. There used to be small boxes, and in that inside the boxes in small letters that the advertisements would be given, especially second page left side of the newspaper. So advertisement, we can first of all we will discuss about what is meant by advertisement. Advertisement, it means a public notice. Notice maybe for the public, for the sake of the people, if you want to inform them, aware them. So it's a public notice or an announcement or for giving information, right? We can say anything for the different purposes that we can do. First one is giving the notice, next announcement, giving information, all these things. So that for all these reasons we take the help of an advertisement, right? So here, for example, if you want to for offering the services for the sake of, why we take the help of advertisement? Maybe for offering the services, different kind of the services are coming here, not only one field. Nowadays in each and every field advertisement is a must. Without maybe for example, if we are running a private tuition, if we are running a shop, if we are running any computer shop or anything, or if we are running a company, factory of any goods, so definitely to reach to the public or the people, we need to take the help of advertisement, right? So without advertisements, we do not get the customers or the people or the readers. So first of all, this thing, it means awareness, to reach to the people, at the door of the people, by using various means. In that advertisement is coming, right? So offering services, then buying or selling property, household or the house goods, or different, we could say that the vehicles we can, if you want to sell, if you want to, for example, purchase, all these things. If you want to sell our vehicle, for that purpose also that we have to give the advertisement. So now, so these are the things. So for this purpose that we use advertisement, right? For example, if you are running a tuition class, And if you want more children, if you want to increase the strength of our class, so for that reason also that we need to give advertisement by giving the different features of the class or the different merits, all these things. Then and then the children will attract, or the parents will attract and they will come. Right? So this advertisement, this part is, it comes in short composition. So that's why it carries 4 marks. 4 marks. So what is the analysis of the 4 marks then? 4 marks, for example, almost we could say 1 plus 2 plus 1. Right? This is the analysis of the 4 marks. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 mark for the format, including title, box, everything. Next, the 2 marks for the content, which you are going to mention inside the box. Writing, words, expression. And now, this last mark for the expression. It means here comes your grammatical accuracy and your language. Right? So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this is what the format. And this advertisement, it is having 2 types. Right? 2 kinds of advertisement. First one is classified advertisement and second one is display or commercial advertisement. Listen carefully. In this video, we are going to discuss only about classified advertisement. This word classified advertisement. Right? Advertisement having 2 types, 2 kinds. First one is classified advertisement and second one is display or commercial advertisement. So now we are going to discuss classified advertisement. Right? If we seek the meaning of this word classified, it means it is prepared as per the traditional manner, only in the form of words, letters, not using any kind of the graphics, pictures, nothing, only simply words. So that's why in a classified the name is given. So let us learn about something more about this advertisement, classified advertisement. So now this advertisement especially, it gives the information about the missing person, for example, missing pets, goods and so on, all these things. Right? And this classified advertisement, which almost we could say that it occupies less space but more content. Right? In the same manner, the objective of this classified advertisement is that convey more content, convey more things, passing the message to the audience, to the readers, convey more and pay less, because only it means the space is so less in the newspaper, and the one corner almost it is considered as an insignificant, so that's why people do not read, but that is very important, very almost a crucial significant thing. We just in the form of box, especially on the second page of the newspaper, such boxes are given, small boxes are given. Right? The message which is conveyed, that is more the content, but the space is less. So this is what the objective of this classified advertisement. Now, and it is prepared according to the subject, this classified advertisement, and the subjects are grouped into classes and the categories. Prepared according to the subjects which are prepared, or the groups which are prepared, or the classes which are prepared according to the subjects. So in this way the advertisements are given. And especially, and this is also one of the feature of this advertisement. What is one of the feature of this advertisement? Convey more and pay less. Second thing, almost we could say that regarding the subject matter, it is grouped into various classes, different categories according to the subject. right? Next one is given, that is a language. Simple language is used. Do not use heavy words. Heavy words means, I mean to say, the difficult words. Use simple words but in brief, short, concise, right? Next feature, short phrases and words. And one more thing, listen carefully. In advertisement, classified advertisement, do not use complete sentences, full sentences. Do not use. Otherwise, the marks will be reduced. It is not an advertisement because we have less space and more content. So that's why do not use the complete sentences. So what will you do then? So you can use only short phrases. Using the punctuations, you can use short phrases and words, right? So these are the almost features. 3-4 features are given, right? For example, conveying more content and paying less. Later on, according to the subjects, it has been grouped into various classes, categories, different topics. Simple language, but that should be short and concise. Do not use sentences. Use short phrases and words, right? So let us move on to the types of classified advertisements, right? Advertisement is, this word is having two types, classified and display or commercial. We are discussing about classified advertisement, and now in classified advertisement having few types or the subjects matters on which we could prepare an advertisement. For example, situation vacant or wanted. For example, in any school or company or any firm, the situation is vacant, or any hotel, restaurant. If the owner of the restaurant or the organization, if he wants to give an advertisement in the newspaper regarding the vacancy, wanted, for example, a receptionist, right, or the typist, or for the different reason. If he wants to, if that fellow or the owner wants to pay less, giving more content, so classified advertisement is best, right? So then, situation vacant or wanted. The example of this we will discuss in the next video. Next type, that is the sale or purchase. If you want to sell the property, vehicles or the goods, not only purchase, for example, and if you want to take also for that also. So then sell and purchase, right? Then too late. So first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of too late. Too late means if you want to give our construction, our house, bungalow, etc. on rent, or if you want to take on rent, for both the purposes that we can say. Listen, too late means if you want to give our house, our construction, or that flat or that bungalow, whatever, on rent, or if you want to take it on rent, for that purpose also, this too late advertisement is given title. Got it? So then, missing. Next one is for missing purpose. For example, missing a person or pet. For that reason also, we could take the help of this advertisement. You might have seen, for example, if you are wandering in the market, in the streets, definitely you will come across with such ads or such papers which have have been put up on the walls, that the missing this and this person, for example, 50 years old, 45 years old, 18 years old boy, and the color description is wearing clothes, everything is given. Same thing. Missing person or pets, right? Next one is coming lost and found. Lost and found. For example, if we lost our documents, if we are traveling by this and by the train, by the bus from Surat to Ahmedabad, and in between we lost our documents, educational documents. For that reason also that we could use lost. For example, in school premises, if you lost your money or your watch or anything, for that purpose lost. And another reason, for example, if you found any object in the school premises, not only school premises but also in the surroundings in your locality, if you found anything, for that reason also that you can give advertisement, right? Travels and tours, if you are running a travel agency, for that also you can give an advertisement, right? Inviting the people, giving the information to the people regarding your facility, your destinations, your package, everything. That how many days it will require, what is the amount, how much amount, what facilities will you provide, 5-star hotel, then food or the different facilities that you can mention here. Travels and tours, right? Next one is the matrimonial alliance. So, what is meant by matrimonial alliance? You must have definitely seen such ads for the advertisements in the newspaper in which regarding the marriage or the weddings, for such advertisements are given. For example, such kind of the bridegroom is required or the bride is required, well educated, belongs to a well family, right? Then height, color, everything is given. So in that manner, it means in small space, right? So this related with marriage, matrimonial alliance for the marriage purpose. Next, obituary. Obituary means what is meant by obituary? Then find out the meaning. Try to guess the meaning. Obituary means if we lost our relatives on the demise of the relative or our friend or any member in the family. For example, 2 days, it means 2 days before or 4 days before, 1 day before, if we lost our relatives. For that reason also that we can use advertisements, right? Giving his description that this and this one, in the loving memory of this and this one, that right? The name of that fellow. Then you can give in short that we are missing, means love from this and this one, names, etc. in small space is given. This is obituary, right? In the memory of the dead fellow, the fellow who is no more, right? On the death, right? Obituary. Appeal. Appeal means, for example, if you want to raise the fund for the martyred people or the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our sake, if you want to raise the fund for their children, or if you want to conduct any, for example, regarding the blood donation or all the things. So for that purpose also that we can use these advertisements, appealing to people to come together, right? Next one is educational. Regarding admissions in the various institutes or the schools, school can give this type of the advertisement, or the companies, factories, that the firms, they can take the help of these advertisements, especially the schools related education related organizations, right? So all these are the different types of classified advertisements, right? So only one thing that you remember, you keep in your mind, that in these classified advertisements only word, it means content is allowed, no graphics, no pictures, no slogans, no complete sentence, right? So all these things that you need to keep in your mind. Only short phrases and words, nothing else. So that advertisement, classified advertisement in the box. So I hope that you must have understood all these things. So in the next video that we will explain with example this classified advertisement.